I have over 20 amazing and clever Amazon must-haves when it comes to your closet you're not going to want to miss. You should see the before of my closet. Oh boy. Something has got to be done right here. All the clothes that I own are in this closet. I do not use a dresser for anything, so I have this half of the closet, and then my husband has the other half. Let's work some magic, shall we? One of the first things to do when it comes to organizing your closet is to actually go through and see what you wear. The next thing to bring your closet to the next level is to get matching hangers. I chose these beautiful black and gold velvet ones. They had multiple options on Amazon, but this really made the impact in the closet. In fact, I have another whole box hidden down there just in case. As you can see, this is my husband's side of the closet. See the difference? One thing I forgot to mention about these hangers are they are nice and grippy, and if you wanted to hang a tank top or something that had straps, it goes nicely in that groove. And another bonus with these hangers, this top part swivels, so if you need to steam something, by the way, I will link my favorite steamer in the description box below, but you can hang it up and then steam the item that you need to. It also makes your closet more organized and sleek because it has a nice thin design, as you can see right here. This belt hanger in this rose gold is so cute. Let me just pull it out for you so that you can see. It has two sides, lots and lots of room. You could also hang your scarves on here or some of your hats depending upon the shape of your hats. Gotta have some clip hangers. These are so nice, and then you can see right here on these hangers there's nice cushion, so it's not going to scratch anything. And again, matching the gold detail. I have ordered multiple boxes of these hangers because I love them so much. They also expand, so if you have a larger item or a shorter item, as you can see right here. While we're here, this hanger for pants, it could really be for anything, is amazing. You can see you can hang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This also, you can see a hook right here. You can hang a purse, you can hang a hat, but you can also do something like this. I absolutely love, love, love this. I'll probably say that a million times in this video because I'm so happy with all these items. Next are these tank top or bra organizers. Let's see how many you can hold in here. Well, multiple, because you can double up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on one. This did come with multiple in a pack. I think it might be 2 or 4. I can't remember precisely. I do have some extra ones right here. You can hang your bras on here, but again, I run a fitness channel here on YouTube, so I have a ton of workout attire. I will link that in the description box below in case you're interested. Shoes can often make your closet look cluttered. However, if you display them correctly, you can remedy that situation. I have these nice tall boots here, and of course you could put pool noodles in them if you wanted to, but I wanted to up level my closet game, so you can see I have them here on the brown tall boots as well. I got these boot shapers. Love these. These are often things that you will see in shoe stores, but all you have to do is just fold them like this around your boot, and let me just show you really quickly here. A little tricky here to do one-handed, and then as you can see there, the front of the part of the fold goes right here, but it makes your boots stand up so nicely, and these little circles just pop out so that way you can grab them easily when you want to wear your boots. These came with multiple in a pack. I'm going to be giving some of these away because clearly I did not need this many, but I love these. Speaking of shoes, it's nice to have something small in your closet that you can sit down on if you want to put on your shoes or put on a pair of cozy slippers like you can see here. I just wanted something nice and compact. I do not have that large of a closet, although this is bigger than my one previous to this, and this adds just a little touch of glam. I love a good bin system. It can hold a lot. However, it is important to keep your bins somewhat organized, otherwise you run into a situation where the bins lose their effectiveness. Now, I could not find this exact pattern on Amazon. However, I'm going to have some link below before you that are equally as beautiful and gorgeous, but I love this just girly detail all up in the gold. You can see I have 6 of them here. I have sweaters, swimsuits, all the things. Oh, and by the way, I do not own a dresser. Everything that I have and wear is here inside this closet that I'm showing you today. I love this pull-out detail. It ensures that your bins stay stronger for longer. This lipstick holder is so cute. I wanted a place to house all of these things that I could easily see and easily access rather than being buried in random drawers and random purses. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 different slots, and you could fit about 4 lipsticks. side by side, maybe 3 depending upon the size of your lipsticks or your lip gloss. But I just am obsessed with this. As part of decluttering my clothes, I also decluttered all of my jewelry and only kept what I love to wear on a regular basis. Just love this. I found an alternative one on Amazon that I loved equally as much, but it has 3 tiers. You can see right here. You could hang rings, you could hang bracelets. Because this is metal, it's also magnetic, which is really nice. You can hang your necklaces. I like this little tray down in here. This is where I like to keep all of my gold rings. As well as keeping your jewelry organized, it's great to keep your sunglasses nice and organized. This was super easy to put together. Oftentimes what would happen is I would lose these in my car and they get all scratched up. And then this can also serve multiple functions. It could be a nail polish holder, so you could decide how you want to use this. This is also an excellent gift idea. Bracelets are probably one of my favorite jewelry accessory. Love, love, love this. It is 3-tier, as you can see, and this is soft and squishy. And then you can just take these off and remove them. You can rearrange them, whatever you want to do, but just such a nice way to display your beautiful bangles. And as you can see, there's even room here down on the bottom that I've just put a few other things. As I mentioned before, I do not own a dresser, so I needed something that would organize my pants. Not only my workout pants, I bought several of these. They have been super durable, and if I roll up 3 pant leggings, I can fit a ton in here. And then I also use this for my pajamas, but up here, I love it for jeans. Let's see how many pairs of jeans I have in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I was able to double up on this one, so it holds quite a lot. If you're interested in learning this clever sweater folding hack, I will link that in the description box as well. It keeps your sweaters wrinkle free, and it's just a nice alternative as opposed to doing the situation, which is just fine, but I do think this looks much better. But when it comes to sweaters, you're definitely going to need an awesome fabric shaver so that your sweaters look better for longer. But here's a bonus tip. I like to use this on my furniture as well. I've owned multiple of these, and this is definitely my favorite with the double head, especially if you want to do larger areas, and then you fill up all of the lint and pill from your sweaters or your furniture. I do this on my couch and my pillows frequently. There's 2 settings. 1, 2. Turbo Max, baby. Need some more space? How about this over-the-door organizer? Now, I was going to use this in my closet, but my daughter won that contest. But look at all of these hooks. We got 4 on each side. Look at, look at, look at. I love that it's white. I love these wooden details here. A great way to hide a bunch of stuff. I just fell in love with these 3 boxes. My daughter collects a lot of random trinkets, or maybe you yourself have a lot of little things that you want to put together. But these are super cute. They snap open. They look decorative, but they're also very functional. This is also an excellent, great gift idea too. I think it just up levels her dresser right here and makes everything look way more organized than it was before. This I debated on whether I should get or not, and I'm so glad that I did. I share this with my daughters, but I love that you can stack this. You can put all kinds of hair things, all kinds of trinkets, whatever your heart desires in here, and it looks super cute, organized. It just makes the world of a difference when you can display things nicely in your home, and it makes you want to keep it organized in the long run. Organizing underwear and socks can be a little tricky, but not until now. Love these in my daughter's rooms. You can see I have undergarments and socks. My daughter won the battle on this one, but also because I do not have a dresser drawer, I didn't necessarily need this. Although this would look super cute in my closet as well. Great quality, love them, and it just fits so nicely in there, as you can see, with a little room to spare if needed. This also came with 1 more piece in a set. I will show you in just a minute. Here's another drawer organizer that I loved. I needed a place to organize all of her pants. You can see I could put 4 of these side by side in this dresser and I would still have room, or some fuzzy socks. She's obsessed with those. These are great. They're foldable, they're bendable, they're pliable, and also also it helps you to wear your items more frequently because you can see it all laid out nicely. Here's another set of these organizers, a bit larger version that you can see here. I love the compartments. I love how it's easy to take out what you need and easily put everything away. This is in my 2.5-year-old's room. If you have a lot of trinkets or jewelry or nail polish, these are amazing, and it came with all of these in a pack. They're easily stackable. Let me just pull one out here for you so that you can see. I love the acrylic style, and then you can easily see what's inside of them. It's a great way to keep everything all nice and organized, and it makes it easy for cleanup. In fact, I'm going to be ordering some more of these to use for nail polish. Here are some additional drawer organizers for my 2 boys. They share a bedroom. This can be used for bras, but you can see I've just been using it for my boys' socks, and then this one here for the undergarments. Love all of these options. Do you deal with multiple shoes all over your house and your entryway or mudroom looking a mess? Yes, I have. This closet was atrocious before I figured out a solution. As you can see right here, I found this bamboo rack organizer. Absolutely love it. What's really nice about it is, 1, it holds a lot of shoes, but 2, you can put them side by side if you want to, just like this, or you can do. This closet has made a miraculous transformation. A garment rack. Love this one. It's got these extendable handles. By the way, we are behind the scenes of Elite Fit with Andrea Jean, my fitness YouTube channel. You often see this on my Amazon lives, especially if I'm doing clothing haul. We do go live every Friday at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, my husband and I. But if you're looking for a great affordable garment rack, especially with wheels, this is amazing. Also, I believe it came in multiple colors if I'm remembering correctly. Easy peasy to assemble. Are you in need of a great mirror? This is one of my favorites. I use this for my fitness videos so that I can see myself when I am working out and correcting my own form. But you can hang this up if you wanted to. I actually ordered 2 of these, the other one's on the way. I share my workout filming area with my children here in the basement, so I needed a mirror that could stand up. What's really nice is this folds in and out, and I literally move this in and out every single day to put it in my storage closet, and it has held up so nicely. It came in multiple sizes and I believe multiple finishes, and I decided just to go with the black, and again I ordered 2 of these because I loved it so much. If you're looking for a great storage solution when it comes to kids' toys, as you see, my kids don't keep their toys in their bedroom, but I know a lot of kids do. I love this organizer. Look at all these compartments, and then I also love the bamboo side. It has easy handles on here, so if you wanted to transport it and take it somewhere else in your house, you can do that. It has larger bins, it has smaller bins. It makes it easy for pickup. Now, if you really wanted to, you could label these, but I'm not into labels. I don't care as long as it's off the floor and in a bin. Mama is pleased. Last but not least, let's talk about this beautiful gold shelf. I originally was going to be putting this in my bedroom to hold shoes or pants, but I really loved it here in my office. By the way, I just redecorated my entire office. It was atrocious using all Amazon products. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button with your notification bells turned on so that when I post that video and there may be a giveaway, you will be made well aware. But absolutely love this office transformation as well. All right, my friend, again, everything is going to be linked in that description box below. Bonus, if you want to see some amazing Amazon kitchen organization ideas, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.